Amid brewing hostilities between India and Pakistan, Pak diplomat Sartaj Aziz and National Security Advisor Ajit Doval had a brief conversation on Saturday evening. They met along the sidelines of Ministry of External Affairs dinner hosted for visiting leaders and delegates. Pakistan Prime Minister's Foreign Affairs Advisor Sartaj Aziz, who was supposed to arrive on Sunday for the Heart of Asia conference, pre-planned his visit and arrived on Saturday itself. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Modi and Sartaj exchanged pleasantries shortly during joint call of foreign ministers. India Today's deputy editor Smita Sharma joins us live from Amritsar, who's also giving us a comprehensive detail on this Heart of Asia conference. Smita, can you please give us more details on this brief communication between National Security Advisor Ajit Doval and Sartaj Aziz?
You know, this wasn't really a planned, structured meeting, Archana. Interestingly, the pictures were put out also by the Pakistan High Commission subsequent to India Today airing the story because the Pakistan embassy, the Pakistani side clearly wanting to try and look at opportunities for initiating the dialogue process once again with India, which India is not keen at the moment for various reasons, not just for security reasons, but also keeping in mind the domestic political situation at the moment with elections upcoming in states like Uttar Pradesh as well, which is a crucial factor. Unlike that secret talk that was held in Bangkok last year, when in fact Ajit Doval landed up and held talks with his Pakistani counterpart Ajit Janjua and Nasir Janjua, Lieutenant Colonel Nasir Janjua, and then we saw Sushma Swaraj flying into Islamabad to attend the Heart of Asia meeting. This was supposedly just a brief conversation as Sartaj Aziz was coming out of their dinner that was hosted last night at the Heritage Village by the Ministry of External Affairs. But as far as the exact content is concerned, we do not know. But New Delhi has underlined at the moment that they are not looking at serious bilateral talks till the time they have some sort of an assurance or an outcome of ongoing investigations into terror attacks by Pakistan.
Smita, stay with us because we'll be telling our viewers about the story of a family which has pinned hopes on Sartaj Aziz, the Ansari family, and hope floats for them because they want to meet Pakistan's top diplomat Sartaj Aziz. Sartaj Aziz, who is in India to attend the Heart of Asia conference, will also likely to meet Hamid's parents. Warsaw-based management professional Hamid Ansari has been languishing in Peshawar jail since 2012. Hamid's parents have been appealing to Pakistani government to release their son, who had long served his 3-year sentence. Hamid's mother, Fawzia Ansari, hopes that Pakistan High Commission will issue visas to them to travel to Pakistan and meet their son, who they say crossed the border to meet a Pakistani girl he had been in touch with.
I've lost everything but not the hope. When I read in newspaper or saw in the TV channel that Sartaj Aziz Sahab, the advisor of Foreign Affairs, he is visiting India. So this was a ray of hope for we desperate parents. And we immediately planned, I told my husband, let us go and let us see Sartaj Aziz Sahab. I know it was very difficult. We could not get the appointment. I tried to get appointment. But then I knew, okay, my appeal will just, it will crush with mountains, but it will be not heard. But still.
Yes, definitely. India government has, Sushma Swaraj madam has done a lot for us. We have seen also. And nowadays that she is not well, but we hope that something will move ahead. Of course, so far our efforts is not so much successful as we want to see.
Smita, the Ansari family is pinning hopes on Sartaj Aziz. You've been speaking to them. What is the latest? Is there any breakthrough? Will they meet Sartaj Aziz? Anything on that front?
You know, as far as the Pakistani side is concerned, clearly they are not sort of proposing a meeting with the Ansari family because the couple who have been traveling from Mumbai all the way to Delhi in the past and now in Amritsar, despite their age, their illnesses, they've not even been granted a meeting with the Pakistani envoy, Abdul Basit, because they've been seeking a visa to at least go and meet their son once. But I am in Golden Temple at the moment where Sartaj Aziz was expected to come in earlier today. We are still being told that he could come in here after, that second session which is ongoing at the moment at the ministerial level. After that gets over, because this evening is when, of course, he will fly back from Amritsar. But the foreign ministers will also be taken for a visit to the integrated checkpost. So if Sartaj Aziz comes in here, maybe we will see the Ansari couple actually coming in here and trying to make an appeal on humanitarian grounds, clearly, because this is a case which is very different from a Sarabjit case. There are no cases of trespassing, no cases of treason or spying against or terror charges against Hamid Ansari. And it's a mother who's really appealing for help from anybody possible to keep her hopes alive that her son will return home one day.
That's right. Thank you so much, Smita, for that update. It's a mother and it's a family that is